Welcome to the Automation Hangout. Today we're going to discuss an interesting and trending technology topic, Metaverse. If you recollect, we actually had the social media giant Facebook rebranding itself to Meta last year to capitalize on Metaverse. The term Metaverse is a widespread used word among technologists, and if you look at defining Metaverse in simple terms, one can consider Metaverse as an online space that allows people to interact in a more immersive manner than in a traditional website. And how is this accomplished? This is accomplished by using a virtual reality headset. For example, you can create an avatar which might be representing a cartoon character. And assuming that you're actually attending a virtual conference, you can walk around and interact with people who also will be in an avatar, just like you are in a video game. Metaverse experts see it as a next significant advancement in the evolution of the internet. Last year, Mark Zuckerberg decided to transform Facebook from a social media company to a metaverse company within 5 years of time frame. They've already spent millions of dollars developing virtual as well as augmented reality headsets as well as glasses. So these moves are actually going to help Facebook increase their revenue. And it is not just Facebook, there are other technology startup companies as well as established companies in the Silicon Valley who have made significant advancements as well as investments around Metaverse. Because of the global health crisis, more people have been working from home and attending a school remotely until last year. As a result, everyone was spending more time online and the human interactions were very limited. We currently connect with people who are physically not close to us by using websites as well as social media platforms or using messaging apps like Telegram or WhatsApp. In some cases, we also make video calls. However, some of us do believe that there is a growing demand for online spaces where interactions can be more multidimensional as well as real life kind of interactions. So instead of just viewing digital content, we should be able to interact with people in a much more immersive manner. Blockchain is an integral part of Metaverse because the technology enables users to protect the digital assets in the virtual reality world. Now, fashion companies have also started experimenting with the creation of virtual clothing that people or avatars can wear in the metaverse environment. However, Metaverse currently provides a new space for people to socialize, may do trading, play games, or even attend a musical concert. But it is no way comparable with the real world, and there's a lot of advancements that are required in order to make the virtual world more of a real life kind of an environment. Hope you found this video helpful. Please share your feedback and also do not forget to subscribe to our channel.